Hey there, welcome back everyone. How's everyone doing today? We've got something pretty exciting lined up for you.
That's right. We're diving into how AI can totally transform the way you study in high school. Trust me, this is going to be super interesting.
So, let's start with the big stuff, math and science. You know how some topics just make your head spin?
Oh, absolutely. Calculus problems or biology concepts can really be a maze, right?
Exactly. But with AI tutoring platforms, you can get instant explanations and guidance, just like having a personal tutor anytime you need.
And it's not just about solving the problem. These tools explain the concepts in detail, helping you grasp the why behind each solution.
Yes, let's not forget how these AI tools can simulate science experiments, making it easier to visualize complex processes. What a time saver. Now moving to reading and English. Those lengthy texts and complex vocabularies can be a real hurdle.
For sure, especially when you have to dissect dense historical documents or intricate literary works.
Here, AI tools can summarize articles and help in understanding themes, making the initial reading less daunting.
And for writing, tools like AI grammar checkers are phenomenal, helping you refine your essays from structure to style.
Totally. They act like a sophisticated editor by your side, perfect for making your arguments more powerful. Let's talk about SAT prep. Have you ever felt lost trying to tackle that?
Oh, definitely. But AI-driven platforms can tailor study plans right to your weaknesses.
Exactly. By focusing on your unique learning curve, these tools are way more effective than a one-size-fits-all approach.
Plus, AI helps manage your notes or even creates flashcards, making sure you're ready for anything that comes your way.
Time management is crucial. AI can optimize your schedule, factoring in when you're most focused.
Remarkable, right? It's not just about reminders, but actually assisting in cutting procrastination.
Precisely. And within study groups, AI can organize discussions or suggest resources. It's all about smart collaboration.
The future of study groups definitely looks brighter with these advancements.
Remember, AI is your study buddy, not a replacement for your own thinking. It's here to make learning efficient and exciting.
Absolutely. And with that, you're not just enhancing your high school experience, but also preparing yourself for future success.